Okay, today we're going to show you how to change a ribbon in a Smith Corona Electra 120. So we'll start by just pulling the cover back, and your ribbon's right there. And you just got a guide on the left and the right, and you just pull out. They usually come out pretty easy. And then we're just going to repeat that process. This one we've got a black ribbon only in it. If you do have a black and red, your black would always go on top, the red's on the bottom. And we'll put it in the guide on the left, and the guide on the right already went into place. And you got two little pieces of metal here. It's got little arrows on them. You just want to pull it down in between there and pull it down. And once it's in place, my finger caught it, and it's in place. And then I just pull it tight, and we close the cover. And that's how you change a ribbon on an Electra 120. Thank you.